We begin by connecting the CX800 with our PC computer via USB and open the KeyDigital management software so that we can scan for our device connected via USB. The KD-CX800 has appeared, and in the networks setting property, we can set our desired IP address and default gateway or router IP. So any settings that you wish to change of your network are applied there. We press the save icon and the unit will reboot so that it comes up with the new settings. Doing another network scan confirms that the settings have applied. And we could also then connect into our network, choose scan and network scan so that we may scan the entire network for the CX800. It will appear as well as any other management software compatible devices on your network. Here we see the CX800 and we see the desired the set IP settings that we have adjusted. Additional settings include adjusting control mode from compass control to enterprise AV and setting the port modes if not in compass.